家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. 比赛怎么说？
比赛。
比赛 The Olympics competition 比赛 has a lot of new categories. 有些新的比赛项目，包括有什么霹雳舞啊、攀岩、滑板，还有冲浪。我们来教一句话好了，就是今年奥运新增霹雳舞、攀岩、滑板及冲浪这些比赛项目，祝这些选手很棒很棒，拼金牌。
今年奧運新增霹靂舞、攀岩、溜滑板、衝浪野斗比賽項目，祝福野斗選手動槍拼金牌。
金牌 that's a gold medal. We hope, of course, these athletes get it. But let's go ahead and teach you all those new categories. 我觉得需要 highlight 一下，霹雳舞是
霹靂舞
that's breaking. And then there's 攀岩 that's sports climbing. 滑板
溜滑板
that's skateboarding. And finally, surfing 冲浪
衝浪
that's surfing. And these are some of the new categories at the Olympics this year. Very excited about it, okay? Finally, let's teach you one more phrase here. 今晚有棒球比赛转播. In general, how do you say there's a baseball live broadcast tonight?
安布亞有野球比賽轉播。
安布亞有野球比賽轉播. All right, now you learned a little bit more about the Olympics. Let's review some of the important general phrases such as 比賽 competition,
比賽
and finally to get that gold medal 拼金牌
拼金牌。
There you have it, another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
單詞say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.